In this video, I'm going to show you a really simple closed-loop irrigation system for under $100 that anyone can do and will allow you to get great coverage across your vegetable garden more efficiently than watering with a hose. So to do that, we have this pipe here. This is a 16mm black pipe with no holes in it. Then we also have this brown pipe, and you can see this does have irrigation holes in it. So this is the pipe that will be going up and down the beds. Then we have this adapter for attaching the pipe to your hose. And we have various joins. So we have the T-bar, a corner junction, and a straight join. You'll only need these if you make a mistake. Then you'll also need scissors, a mallet, and some pegs to hold the pipe down. Got a bit of a hose attached to the tap. I'm going to put another connection point on the other end. And here we've got the black pipe that will go over to the beds. And I'm just going to use the connector. So this end goes into the hose. This end goes into this one. And you hear a click. As this pipe's going across a path, I'm digging a shallow trench for it to sit in so it can be buried and won't get in the way. I then peg the black pipe into place. When I get to a corner, I cut the pipe and attach a corner junction to ensure the water will flow smoothly. I'm using a T-junction to close the loop and join it up with the pipe coming from the hose. So this is the main pipe all in place now, dug down, and we'll fill that in once we're done. We've done it as a big loop because having a closed loop system massively improves the water pressure. If we'd just gone down here in a straight line, we'd probably find that this bed would just be getting a trickle compared to the first bed. It also gives us some flexibility. By having it going across the back here, we can add a point in the future if we want to be able to add watering hoses for the fruit zone over there. So this is the pipe with the holes in for the irrigation. Our beds are quite narrow, so we're going to go down and up. So it'll be 2 lines of piping. Okay. To attach the main pipe to the irrigation pipes, we're going to be using 2 T-joints. We're going to repeat this process on the remaining 3 beds using T-junctions to attach the irrigation hose to the plain black hose. So that's it all laid out. Obviously when you attach it to the main pipe, you need to do it on a bit where there isn't a drip. That was a bit awkward with our length, which meant we needed to kink bits out, but that's absolutely fine. It's quite a good idea to lay it out before you plant, as the gaps in between the holes are 30 centimetres. So even if you stagger them, there will be areas that don't get as much water. By laying it out first, you can then plant quite intentionally, so you're lining plants up with those drip holes. So we're now going to just move the mulch slightly so the pipe is slightly buried. That way the water will go directly into the plant roots, and we're then going to put more compost on top so that it doesn't evaporate away. It's been a few weeks now since we installed the irrigation system and we're really happy with the results. All the plants are doing really well. I was a bit worried that ones in the middle wouldn't be getting enough water, but as you can see, they're all doing brilliantly. If you've enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe, and if you want to see how we created the beds, then you can check that out here.